Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transform photos into jigsaw puzzles with Canva. So head over to canva.com and log into your account. Click on Create to start a new project. Then choose Custom Size. You can use any size that you want, but for this tutorial, let's use 1200 pixels by 1200. Click Create a new design. A common method that people use is going to the elements, typing in Jigsaw Puzzle, then clicking on Frame. They either use a bundle right here, or they use one puzzle piece, like this one. They'll add it to the page, then they'll duplicate it, and align all the pieces. This works, but it's very time consuming, especially if you need many puzzle pieces. You also need to upload an image, drag it into each frame, resize it, and repeat the whole process. For example, I've added a new page and will add a photo of a man. Resize this, then duplicate. I'll drag it to one puzzle piece. Resize the image inside that puzzle piece. Then duplicate the photo again. Drag it again to the first page. So instead of doing all of that, there's an easier and faster way. So go back to the second page, resize this photo until it fills the entire page. Then, go back to the elements, search the Jigsaw Puzzle again, then this time choose Graphics. From here, free Canva users can choose the simpler puzzle graphics. As for Canva Pro users, they can access puzzle overlay with transparent background. As a free Canva user, pick a puzzle overlay graphic. For example, this one. Place it on top of the image, resize it, so it matches your canvas. And just like that, you instantly turn your photo into a puzzle. No need to manually crop each piece. Again, if you're using Canva Pro, just select any puzzle overlay that already has a transparent background, for example, this one. Once you place it on top of your image, you get a clean and realistic jigsaw puzzle effect. You can choose overlays with bigger or smaller puzzles, depending on your design. You can repeat this with any image, place it on your canvas, and add the puzzle graphic on top. Just remember to move, resize, or swap puzzle overlays anytime to get the effect you want. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.